All right, here we go. What do we need to remember about solving equations? We need to spell how to spell remember. Remember. Okay, the goal is to get x by itself. Now, sometimes we have x's on both sides of the equation. Okay, so we have to first make sure we only have x's on one side of the equation before we can get x by itself. Okay, that's first. Okay, take care of that first before you start trying to get x by itself. Okay, let's see if we remember how to do this. Okay, first, we can't even get to this x, it's in times parentheses. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute. Okay, when I distribute, this is called distributing. And what I'm doing when I distribute is I'm multiplying. Okay, so this is 1/2 times 6. Now, you could put in a calculator 0.5 times 6, but you don't need to do that. 1/2 times 6, sort of the official writing it down way, looks like this. 1/2 times 6 over 1. That becomes 6 divided by 2, which is 3. The thing is multiplying by 1/2 is always the same as dividing by 2, right? What's half of 6? It's 3. What's half of 10? It's 5. Okay, and notice I'm just bringing down the right side. Just bringing it down. I didn't do anything to it. So now here's a situation where I have x's on both sides. So I need to get all the x's on one side first. I could choose two options. I could choose minus 3x on both sides. That would get all the x's off this side over to here. Or I could choose plus 5x. That would get rid of these x's and bring it over here. I'm going to choose plus 5x. And the reason I'm choosing plus 5x is because that's going to get rid of this negative, yuck, and leave me with positive 8x, which is kind of nice. Okay, now this is canceled, right? This is 0. Negative 5x plus 5x, that's 0, and I'm left with just 0 plus 21, which is just 21. Okay, now I'm going to get x by itself. When I want x by itself, what I do is I take care of addition and subtraction first. Okay, so first, addition and subtraction, and then next, right, this is 1, and then next, multiplication and division. Okay, so like here, I have x is being multiplied by 8, right? This is multiplication right here. And 5 is being added, so I want to do the opposite of adding, which is subtract. 21 minus 5 is 16. And now I have 8 times x, so I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to divide. Okay, and I get x equals 2. Okay, now remember questions 2 through 5 are on this topic, so you're just going to squeeze in, right? Like you can just put question 3 right here. Leave yourself some space, question 4, and question 5, okay? And that's where you're going to do your work for questions 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you'll move on to the next page for the next topic.